Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix blurry clothes in Roblox. This issue usually happens when textures fail to load properly or the game does not refresh correctly. First, open Roblox and join any game where you notice blurry clothes. As you can see, I do not have blurry clothes, but if you do, the textures may appear low quality or blurry. To fix this, try the first method. Click on the Home button inside the game menu. Then navigate through the menu, for example, go into Houses, and wait a few seconds. After that, close the menu again. This refreshes the game textures. Your clothes should now appear clear again. If the issue is still there, try the second method. Exit the Roblox app completely and reopen it. Then join the game again so the clothing textures can reload properly. Once the game reloads, the textures should appear clear. And that's it. We just learned how to fix blurry clothes in Roblox. This can be done by refreshing the game and restarting the app to reload textures. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.